I'm at Kings Island tonight for the 4th of July. It's about 9 o'clock right now. We have just an hour before the park closes. I'm gonna ride maybe a ride or two, get some food, and then watch the fireworks with my mom. Mom, you excited?
Excited!
Drone show, fireworks, let's go. Okay, we're in the park now, and my mom doesn't really want to ride any roller coasters, so it looks like I'll probably be on my own. Are there any rides you will ride?
I don't know. Probably
She doesn't know, probably not. Looks like I'm on my own. Okay, I somehow convinced my mom to ride Mystic Timbers. She wasn't very sure. What do you think about Mystic Timbers?
It was a little faster than I thought it would be, but it was pretty fun still.
You've never been on Mystic Timbers?
I have not.
You've been on Lightning Rod at Dollywood. She's been on quite a few roller coasters.
Oh, yeah.
But she was very unsure about Mystic Timbers. She was screaming the whole ride. Did you have fun?
Yeah, I did.
It was a good ride?
Yep, it was fun. I liked it. I don't want to do it again though.
It's a pretty quiet day at the park today. 20-minute wait for Mystic Timbers standby. We have fast lane, so we just walked right on. Great ride as always. Lots of fun. It is a really nice day out today on July 4th. I think it's like 82 right now, sun's going down. Feels wonderful outside, and the crowds are pretty low at Kings Island, not too bad. It's 9:30 now, sun's almost down, fireworks in 30 minutes, I'm pretty excited. I heard they had issues with the drones yesterday. Hopefully the drones will work today. I'm really excited for the drone show.
Say, can you see by the dawn's early light salute America's heroes, past and present.
Yeah, fine. You know where we're going for.
That is the end of my night at Kings Island for the 4th of July. Only one ride, but the fireworks and drone show was really cool. I really enjoyed that. What'd you think about it, Mom?
It was great. It was really, really cool.
I really enjoyed the 4th of July drone show. It was incredible. Lots of fun. If you enjoyed watching, stay tuned. I have many more amusement park vlogs coming in the future. Like always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.